So the last explanation, index of method, we applied on the arrays as well as the strings also. And anonymous arrays we used and normal arrays also we used. And moving to the next one, index of method always returns the first occurrence of your searching element. Which element you are searching, that search element related first occurrence only it is returns. I want to get the last occurrences, sir. The last time where the data is found. Yes, sir. For that, we have one predefined method. It's called as last index of. Last index of one more method is available. It is written as the last index. Same way. This is first time where element is found. And this one last time where element is found. By chance, element available only one time, sir. That is the first, that is the last. Same thing. Number of times repeated, either starting different, ending different. Single time available, sir. That is the first occurrence and that is the last occurrence also. So document dot write followed by. So 30 last time at elements dot last index of. Ask the 30 once again. So in my array, 30 is found in the end of the array, sir. Last 30. That is called as 11th position. Yesterday we created array with 12 cells. The last element is 30 only. Similarly, green apples, E found it 3 times. Green apples, E available 3 times. The where the last time E is found, I want to check it. So here we can write E like this. See the last 2 lines output. 30 found at the last time 11th place. E found at the last time 10th place. Correct? This already we know already. 12th element 30. 12th element nothing but an 11th index. Green apples. APPLE. E is found at the 10th place. Doubt availability, you can check it, sir. Yeah. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 3 is available. Last time E is found at the 10th place. And this is my array. Last 30 is this one. Ooh. The next one. What about the second occurrence, sir? First occurrence, last occurrence methods available. Okay. If I want to find the second occurrence or third occurrence, sir, straight method not available, we can go for the small gambling operation. Index of method use the 2 times, sir. Automatically second occurrence is comes. How, sir? Simple thing. First identify the first occurrence. Remove the first occurrence. Remaining thing, if you identify first occurrence, that automatically becomes as a second occurrence only. Small technical thing. Elements dot index of 30. It returns the first occurrence of the array. Elements dot index of 30 comma plus 1. So first this is executing where the 30 is available first place, that place returns 30 available place plus 1. It is taking as a starting point of the this index of method. The second occurrence is fifth index. How, sir? Open console once. Check the array structure. This is first 30 and this is the second 30. Found at the fifth place. If I need the third time, sir, write one more time this method. Write another index. And this total place inside the one more index. Like that, how many occurrences you want to find it? That number of times index of index of index of generally. Execution order, first this one is work, sir. What it is returning, sir? 2. Now 2 plus 1 means 3. So it is fetching the 30. But which place, sir? Third place. The first occurrence after place. First occurrence next position. First 30 available in the second place. And the next method is reverse method, sir. So what is the purpose of this method, sir? It reversing array. The starting value, ending value, starting. Shuffling the array like this. No sorting, just reverse positions adding. Array dot reverse. Array dot reverse. What this reverse method doing now, sir? Collecting the data from this array, reversing the data, and overwriting in the same array. Collected the data from here, reversing of the all elements, and overwrites in the same array. Which array it is collected the data, the same array it is going to overwriting. So really the data is reversed or not. Confirmation purpose, we are going to writing here reverse elements. Last line, observe that 30, 90. Actually, the 90, 30 last of the array, but they comes to the starting place. Originally changed inside the array. Not just for outputs, are really internally array, the positions are changed. Proof of console is there. Yeah. So first place goes to last place comes to first place. This is your array, sir, exactly rotating like this. That is called as reverse order of the array. And the next method is sorting. The next one is sort. Now it is sorting the elements. Reverse different to sorting different, sir. Reverse and just positions changing. Sorting means, sir, it is arranging all the elements one uniform order. Which order it is going to sorting, sir? By default, ascending order, it is sorting the data. Numbers are sorting, names also sorting. Numbers ascending order, names A to Z order. If we given some group of names, it is sorting the names also. Strings are sorting possible, numbers are sorting possible. Numbers generally is called as ascending order and strings is called as generally A to Z order. Any order it is going to performing the operation. Online students, just a minute, Amma. So it is sorting the data in ascending order if it is number, or it is sorting the data as A to Z order if it is string. Sorted data where it is storing, sir, overrides in the same array only. From which array it is collected the data, like this, in the same array it is overwriting. Simple, sir. I plus plus we know. What we are thinking about this and incrementing antam. But actually in that incrementation, overwriting also available. If you observe the step carefully, overwriting is also there. Collect the value from I, add 1, overwrite on the same variable. Like that, it is also collecting the data from your array, sorting the data in ascending order, and overrides in the same array only. So it is sorted and not we need confirmation. So write the small printing statement. Sorted elements. Now check it, sir. A last line. So 10, 20, 30, 30, 30, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. Ascending order, it is sorted the data. I want to sort the names also like this, sir. Yes, sir. Take a small string array, constant names, a small string array, Rama, Ramarao, Ramana, Ramakrishna, Raman, Ramarama, one more name, Ramachara, okay, Ramachari, and close this. We have total 7 names here, sir. Actually, intentionally, same combination. Why Rama, Rama, all these things are increasing the complexity. And but Rameshu, Sureshu, Maheshu, these I think can easily sort the data. Different soundings. The same type of cases will get generally small confusions. Hmm. First, girls, sort the names. Rama, Rama, Rama. Madams, over. First, which one? Rama. Next, Ramachari. Next, Ramakrishna. Next, Ramana. This only kada Ramana. This one, ఇది రామన్ అమ్మ రమణ కాదు రామన్ నెక్స్ట్ రమణ నెక్స్ట్ రామారావు నెక్స్ట్ రామరామ సౌండింగ్ లైక్ దట్ ఓన్లీ రామరామ అవుట్పుట్ ఆల్సో రామరామ ఆన్సర్ ఆల్సో రామరామ బాయ్స్ ఫస్ట్ విచ్ వన్ రామ నెక్స్ట్ రామాచారి నెక్స్ట్ రామకృష్ణ యు ఆర్ ఫాలోయింగ్ సేమ్ ఫాలోయింగ్ యువర్ ఆన్సర్ ఆల్సో రామరామ First one, Ramakrishna, first one. Next Ramana. First Ramakrishna, next Ramana, next Rama, next Ramachari, and next one, this one, Raman. PQR, PQR, MNO, PQR. Next one is Rama Rama. Last one is Ramarao. This is order. So far away. Hmm? So names dot sort. Sorting and overwriting in the same array. Just for confirmation, sorted names and print the names. So Ramakrishna, Ramana, Rama, Ramachari, Raman, Rama Rama, and Rama Rao. This is the order. So why it will comes like that, sir? This capital R Rama, this capital R Rama. Small neglect makes many problems. So capital letters first comes, small letters next comes as per the alphabetical importances. Capital letters are the low importance, small letters are the higher value. So lower values are comes first to higher values are goes to next. The basic English language. And the next method is join method. So what is the use of this join, sir? Array inside values available individually, boxes wise values value. But all these values displaying on the screen side by side with the comma separator. Every example. How it is happening, sir? And it's a join method effect. Every array printing statement background join method is works. Even here also. I just call the names only, sir. But here we have the join in background. Background it's working, sir. Because commas displaying in the output, but really in memory block, comma never go into storing. It's just a value separator indication, logical part. A value stored inside the boxes without any comma, without any spaces. But while collecting of this data, displaying on the screen, automatically commas are adding by the printing methods. How surrender some background instructions. That instruction is coming from the join. So every array printing statement, this method is working in background. Then why we have to use that? By default, join method displaying the data with a comma separator. I don't like comma, sir. I need my own symbol, sir. Then call the join. Who are not interested, comma. Instead of comma, if you are interested to use any special symbols, and call the method join and specify which symbol you are interested. Joining means, sir, these all the individual values are combining. While combining of the values, one delimiter compulsory. Otherwise, sir, 10 to 20, if you combine it, it becomes as a 1020. You feel like as it's a single value, not as a two values. The delimiter compulsory here. The comma, space, or any other symbol are your choice. Which symbol you want to place as a delimiter, write the symbol here inside the brackets. Symbols only, no, sir. If you are interested, you can use HTML tags also. BR tag, H1 tag, H3 tag, image tags also. And every value after a tag is going to apply. So document dot write followed by elements dot join of. No symbols are given. What happens, sir? Default comma it will comes. See that last line, your previous line, you don't have any difference. But a previous line's join method we are not called, but here we call the join method. With a join method, without join method, output is same. The meaning internally join is working. Internally join is working. Then why we are calling join, sir? I said na, changing of the delimiter. Changing of the delimiter. But comma, I'm not interested, sir. Okay, take the quotations, write this. And every value after space implementing. Last line only observe. It joining all array elements with the delimiter space. It joining all the elements of array with a delimiter space. I'm not interested space, sir. At the rate symbol required, sir. Write it. Every element after at the rate symbol is comes, see that one. At the rate symbol also I don't want, sir. I need line break, sir. Yes, you can write line break. So now array displaying vertically like this. HTML tags also applying. I want to display every data as a big size, sir. Okay. H1 tag. Except the first element, remaining all will get the big size like this. Every element displaying in the form of H1 tag. HTML tags accepted, your own symbols also accepted. Otherwise, emoji symbols available, that one also you can use. Suppose ampersand hash 9645. I don't know whether blindly use it and tick symbol is come, see that one. Every value after you will get the tick symbol. So which symbol you want to use as a delimiter or as a separator, write that one. I don't want anything, sir. So just don't call this method. I don't need any of these symbols, sir. Method calling waste. No use. These are the 6 methods, sir, total. In this program, we completed 6 methods. More methods available. Next example. The next method is splice. 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 Slice different to splice different. Maybe you thought that slice. No, ma. This is different. This is different. This is my thing. Pronounce that one. Huh? Oh. Now pronounce it. Huh? Specialize. Summer holidays lo villages environment. One cycle wala ice comes. Cycle. A backside of the cycle, big ice box available. What is going to pronounce it? Same ice, orange ice, mango ice, special ice, pull ice, special ice, and villages like that only, yeah. I think at the time you don't have any money to purchase that ice. What you are doing generally? Books. Summer holidays kada, already year completed. Notebooks available. 2 notebooks if you are giving, 1 ice fruit is given. So the different methods, sir. Different purpose, so different method. Method name is also typical. A spelling wrong, nothing is there. It's a original method name, that one. Splice. What is the purpose of this splice, sir? Array manipulations. Manipulations. If you want to manipulate the array, this method we are going to using. Splice method is used for to perform array manipulations. What is the meaning of manipulation? Any idea? General pronunciation, manipulations. changes. Sure. Manipulations and more than one meaning. Inserting the data, updating the data, deleting the data, these all called as the manipulations. Manipulation is a group of operations. Half of the students Oracle kadamma. DML. M stands for what is meaning of manipulation? Inserting the data, deleting the data, updating the data. It's a group of operations. But that manipulation, this manipulation same as spelling different available. Lede MINIPULA same spelling. So if you want to insert a new values into array, if you want to remove existing data from the array, or if you want to update the data of the array, take the support of this method. All array manipulations we can perform by using one and only method, splice. So I'm going to starting here. So testing operations, we need one array. Here one array created, sir, with the 9 values, nothing but 9 cells. So I'm starting the first manipulation, deletion. Deletion operation. So how to delete the data, sir? Splice of starting index, comma, number of elements. That is nothing but an count. Number of elements as well as the count. This is the syntax to specify. Why I'm writing the syntax means, sir, one method, 3 purposes. Deletion syntax different, insert syntax changing, but method name is same. So your identification purposes, side by side, I'm writing the syntax also. This syntax used for deleting the data. So what is the meaning of this, sir? Starting index, deletion starting point. This is the starting point of the data deletion. How many elements you want to delete it, sir? These number of elements I want to delete. So this is second one, not ending index, sir. Mostly we are misunderstanding. The first one starting index, the second one automatically we are calling as ending index. No, it's never becomes as ending index. It's a number of elements. Ending index and number of elements both are same, sir. No. Lot of difference available. So I want to delete these number of elements. Remember, I want to delete this number of elements. Our deletion should be start from this index. The deletion starts from this index. Just a cross checking an idea purpose. First I'm printing my original array. Not compulsory, just for cross checking. And first printing my original array, all 9 values displaying on the screen. Then I'm starting the deletion, but cross checking becomes easier. And so document.write followed by, sorry, deletion required. Elements dot splice of, elements dot splice of 3 comma 1, 3 comma 1. So 3 is the deletion starting point. And how many elements I want to delete it, sir? And only one element. So who is that, sir? 44 deleted. But whenever I remove the 44, gap is forming, sir. Conformly gap comes. Remaining data adjusting to this side. On the right side, what are the values are available? Those all are adjusting to towards to left side. So really data deleted or not, generally we have the doubt. After deletion, I'm showing the content. See that. Data removed from the array. Once the deletion process completed, show the remaining data of the array. And this is your output. 44 gone. At the same time, whenever the data deleted, sir, your array size also reducing compulsory. 100% reducing, sir, size of the array. If it is not reduced, sir, no use of the method. Now, what is the size? 8. Actually, 9. It reduces to 8. The original 9. This is 8. One element successfully removed. So how you are removing the records from the database? Like that, we are removing elements from the array. One element possible, sir. No. N number of elements we can remove it. See that one more example once again. Elements dot. Once again, splice off. For better understanding, I'm copying the array here. Just explanations purpose. This one don't copy into notes. This line. This is our current array. But from this array, I want to remove 2-3 elements at a time, sir. Yes. Where, sir? You can choose anywhere. You can start the deletion from any position. Okay, sir, I want to remove first 3 elements, sir. First 3 elements, I want to remove it. No problem, sir. First 3 elements means 0, 3. Total number of elements deleted, 3. Deletion starting point is 0. But 0, 1, 2. 3 over. 0, 1, 2. 3 elements removed. One suppose if I write the 4, sir. 4, 5, 6. 3 elements removed. 4th index, 5th index, 6th index gone. A 0, 1, or 2, or 3, or 4, your choice. You can take any of that one. So 0, 3 and these 3, sir. If you write 1, 3, sir, these 3. If you write 2, 3, sir, these 3. If you write 3, 3, sir, these 3 elements. If you write the 4, 3, sir. If you write the 5, 3, sir, this. If you write the 6, 3, sir, this one. 6, 3 also working. But 3 elements not available, sir. How much data available? That much it's removing and silently coming back. Okay, as per the discussions, 0, 3. When you want to write any other position other than 0? Huh? You interested other than 0 anything? 0, okay, na? You are following me. So after deletion of 3 elements, show once again my array. So the original array size full dating, sir. Kodiga size controlled. Inka full dating. So slim size it will comes. Original array is this one. 0th cell 55 available now. And the total size of the array is 5. Next, the second operation, updation. Second operation, updating. Existing values we want to overwrite with new values. Already I have some data inside the array set. That data I want to replace with some other data. For that we are going to performing the updation. What about the syntax, sir? Splice followed by starting index, count. Previous syntax as easily repeated. Plus you have some extra part, new elements. Third parameter also comes. Why delete syntax repeatings are here? Updation background compulsory deletion available. We are generally calling as updating, sir. If I want to update the data, existing data first I should remove. Without removing the existing data, new data is placing is not possible, sir. But suppose in this chair, this person is available. If I want to sit in that chair, sir, what I have to do? First, I have to throw out that person, pull down that person. Simple. Tomorrow election results. Already in the chair, KCR sir is available. But without getting off the KCR sir, another person can sit in that chair. No, take a deletion available. Remove the old data first too, and then store the new data. That is the logic of the updation. But what we are generally saying, sir, data updating, data updating. How? With the delete operation. So then only delete syntax repeated here. Go to this place, remove this number of elements, compulsory. When I remove some elements, sir, gap is forming. This gap fulfill with new elements. That is the matter. Now, one element I'm updating, sir. Next, multiple elements I'll show it. So element dot splice of. This is our current array. 5 values available. Current array. Get a comment lines available. Your current status. In this one, I'm going to updating 55. 55 I want to replace with some other value. First go to 0, comma 1. What is meaning of this? Delete the 55. Deleted. Empty space forming. In that space, store the 101. Whenever the person is vacated, now the chair is becomes as empty. I'm going to occupying the chair. This is update method secret. So after updation, show my data. So 55 replaces with 101. Can I update the multiple elements at a time, sir? We can update it, sir, but all should be in the sequence order. And side by side, I thought, okay. See that elements dot once again splice of my current array status is this one. 5 elements. I want to update some 88 and 99 at a time, sir. 88 and 99. 0, 1, 2, 3. 3, comma 2. First apply the delete meaning. Go to the third index, remove the 2 elements. 2 blanks are comes. The 2 blanks are filling with 202 and 303. What are the 2 elements I deleted? In that place, replace this. Subdation successfully completed and show the proof. So 88, 99 gone. The place replaced by the 202 and 303. This is third cell 202 stored, fourth cell 303 stored. Next one, inserting operations. How to insert the data. Insertion. Same syntax, splice of starting index, comma 0. When you want to perform the index inserting operation, your count must be 0. Compulsory, sir. Always 0. Then only insertion operation is possible. And comma new elements. Comma new elements. Why 0, sir? Any idea? Compulsory 0 for insertion operation. Any guess? Huh? Why 0 only? Uh, no element. Hmm. Hmm. Index starts with 0. Exact answer not coming, sir. Yes, this answer correct. We are inserting the data, inserting in the sense adding the new element. We should not lose the existing data. Inserting means without losing the data, we want to add it. Without losing. Updation, you are losing values. I said clearly, it's a deleting first. Then the data is going to storing. But in inserting process, we are not deleting any data. Not deleting. So the number of elements should be the 0. Without deleting any data, it is going to adding. Okay. Yeah. So this 0 is representing don't delete any data. That is, then why we have to write that one, sir? One small reason is there, sir. One more reason. If you are not deleting the data, why you are writing this one? Maybe doubt comes chance. Cursor adjustment, line number 26, ending available. If I want to type the data in this gap, what I have to do? Cursor, first cursor, you should get it here. No, no. Without coming to the cursor, that position, you can't type. Not only you, myself also not possible. Cursor movement compulsory. For the cursor movement, we are using this one. Right now, this is our array, fresh array after updations. In this array, I'm going to inserting one element first. Where we can insert, sir? Starting to ending, anywhere we can insert. That's not a problem. I want to insert in the first position, sir. Suppose I want to insert in the first position, sir. Elements dot, as usual, splice of 1 comma 0. First apply the meaning. Go to the first index. Go to the first index and cursor mode. Delete the elements. How many elements? 0 element. And it's not deleting any elements. But where is cursor now? First element. Data not deleted, but cursor is adjustment is done. So cursor already available in the first place, sir. Then I'm going to inserting the record triple one. 1 comma 0 or 3 comma 0. 0 meaning is cursor adjustment without deleting the data. So yes, element is inserted successfully. And we are asking once again, show the confirmation INS after inserting elements. This is the record. Now array size increased. Inserting operation, the array size increased also. This is current situation. And the next one, I want to insert the number of elements at a time, sir. Sure, sir. Elements dot splice of. First decide the position where you want to insert it. Anywhere. But between the 202, 303, I want to insert it, sir, in this place. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 comma 0. The cursor adjusted to the fifth index. And after that, write your data. 222, 333, and 444. So data inserted or not a confirmation. Once again, we are printing this. So this is our data. Actual array after deletion, after updation, after insertion. So three tasks are three works with a simple method, slice, single method. And the next one is slice. Splice over, no slice. Both methods available. Splice available, slice available. Splice manipulations. Slice and cutting. Slicing. What we are slicing? Huh? Watermelon, ridge guard, huh? Vegetables slicing, fruits also slicing. Banana also sometimes we are slicing. Of course, sometimes human being body also we are going to slicing. And so many horror movies I saw that scenes. So slicing in the sense cutting. Splicing is not cutting. Splicing manipulation, slicing cutting. So fruits, how we are going to cutting? Arrays also we can cut like that, sir. That is by using the slice method. So what is the use of this cutting process, sir? It is splitting of the arrays. Bro, I have one array. This one array I want to split into two arrays, sir. By using the slice, we can do that one. Array splitting, that is cutting of the array. Previous one here P is there. Now P is not available. That is two different methods. Remember that. Slice, both methods available in JavaScript. Spelling difference P alphabet. So this is my data. But this data I want to split into two arrays, sir. Yes, sir, 100% possible. Elements dot splice of. You can write the starting index, comma, ending index. And starting index, comma, ending index. And from which place to which place you want to separate the array, write the indexes here. So 0, 3, sir. 0, 3. 0, 3 in the sense this. 0, 1, 2, 3 no. 3 not included, sir. 3 excluded. And what are the index you mentioned in the last place? Generally, it is excluded, not included. So 0, 1, 2, that's all. It three values returning as a one array. Returning as a one array. And that you can store into your local arrays like this A equals to. I separated the some portion of the array and stored as a separate array also. This A is array na sir. Yes, array name. We'll check it once. Observed a array created with three cells. So extracting some portion from this array and prepared as a separate arrays. That is also called as splitting of the arrays. This is array. Confirmation. I'm printing on the screen, sir. You can observe that one. A. Print A. And really it's an array, not a doubt available. You can ask one small thing, sir. Array, the compulsory length is available, sir. If it is array, you can ask the length also. Now on screen, you will get the clear picture. See that. Array separated, and this is your array. Next, one more. Let followed by B, one more array, sir. Once again, elements dot slice of. This time I'm going to taking last 4 elements. So last 4 in the sense 5 comma 5, 6, 7, 8, 5 comma 9. Actually, it is operating the 5 to 8 only, sir, but we have to write the 9 because I said it's not included. Excluding, including, 2 words available. So generally in between concept it's included. Normal cases it's excluded. Why they're not including, sir? The already predefined method, not my. I'm just explaining the meaning. So how many elements you want to separate it? Always give one excess value. I want to get it up to 8, sir, 9. I want to get it up to 10, sir. You have to give the 11. One step ahead compulsory based on the internal nature. So from 5 to 9 is nothing but 5 to 8. If 4 elements are separated and assigned to this B array. And once again, B array created a not a conformation. We are writing like this. This is our B array and the size of the B array is 4. Like that, can you slice the strings also, na sir? Why not? Strings also you can slice it. No problem. So take one string. Let str equals to. So similar green apples. This is the string. Now this string also I want to slice it, sir. Sure. Let st1 equals to the string 1 equals to str dot slice of. From which place to which place you want to slice it, write the coordinates. No problem. Suppose 1 comma 5, sir. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 comma 5 is nothing but 1, 2, 3, 4. And write the printing statement. st1, print st1. Size not necessary, sir. Just print the string. This is the data. IMLA. Well, first in the sense second place. 0th place S available. Second place I available. IMLA. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 characters. IMLA. This is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4. Next, same slice method we can also use to print the array in reverse order. To print array in reverse order. Normally array printing 0 to n, no, but I want to print the data n to 0, sir. You can use slice. Slice of -5, slice of -4, slice of -3, negative indexing. Normally the 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 we are using. It's a positive indexing. Forward direction it is printing the array. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. -4, -3, -2, -1, -0. Negative direction it is going to printing the arrays. And a forward direction, backward direction. 2 directions you can handle the array. Backward direction if you want to, and printing should be start from end of the array. And you can use the same slice method and supply the negative indexes. Reverse order your array is going to printing. But suppose this is my array, sir. Actual index is what? Is 0. And this is the 8, right? If I write the slice of -8, sir, first it is printing. Slice of -7, slice of -6, slice of -5, -4, -3, -2, -1, and 0. 0 before minus don't use, -0 not available, amma. Just 0. So printing from reverse to this order. just with one sentence, I'm going to checking that one. It's working or not. Elements dot slice of -8. Elements dot slice of testing operation. One, two, three, four, 5, 6, 7, 8. So slice of -5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Slice of -1. That is the last element of the our array. This is also cutting portion only. Can you operate this one with loop also, no, sir? Yes, sir, we can operate with loop also. Slice of 0, no loop. Full array is going to printing. Now this is -1. And this is -2. This is -3. And it's a -4. -3. Now, how many elements you want to operate from ending to this one? That much of count we have to specify here. So -7. Slice of 7, sir. Slicing starts from the 7th place. How many elements, sir? I'm not given anywhere. What it takes, sir, by default and up to end of the array. When you are not specified the second measurement, it takes automatically to the end of the array. Slicing starts from the 7th place, not given clearly specification. So up to end of the array, it will take. It's a positive number. Slicing start from the 4. 4 comma 3 and 2, we know the meaning that one. But ending index, I'm not specifying, sir. Again, continues that one. 4th index to up to the last index. The ending index, when you are not specified, it takes automatically end of the array. Even string also same, sir. Ending index, if you are not specified, it takes automatically end of the string. Slicing starting portion I specified, but ending portion I missed that one, sir. Automatically they takes up to end of the array. See this one more. This time I'm applying on the string. Say str of slice of 5. 5 in the sense from here up to, sir. No idea. And remaining string, how much available? The whole string it is going to returns. This is starting index. This is also starting index. Both scenarios ending indexes are missing. Whenever the ending index missing, system takes automatically end of the your array or end of the your string. Starting index compulsory, ending index not compulsory. If you use any type of these syntaxes, finally they are going to slicing your array or cutting your array. Either arrays or strings, both cases we can use this. In a positive number or negative number, your choice. So splice meaning completely different to slice meaning completely different. But pronunciationally only one alphabet are different. But functioning purpose to both contrast operations. Do one small thing, sir. With this one, our array is over. Loops concept, I given some assignments and just I dictated that one. You copied or not, I don't know that one. And here also arrays related also some programs. If you are interested, try to do that one. Addition of the matrix to subtraction of the matrix is a routine thing, sir. Common things. So I want to find the three problems on arrays. I'm dictating the questions. Who are interested to improve the coding knowledge, those candidates you can try. So the first question is to find the norm of the array. Norm of the array. On mathematics, we did all these things at norm of the array or norm of the matrix. Matrix or array, anything okay. So first one, norm, find the norm value of the array. Next one, find the variance of the array. Variance. And find the standard deviation of the array. Additional subtraction, you Purana examples. Childhood days onwards you are doing. I think a variety programs I'm giving. You previously never worked anywhere these. Mm. Mm. Cలో కానీ జావాలో కానీ you are never touching this. Maximum what sir అంటే multiplication, addition, subtraction, maximum అయితే symmetric array. Mostly I think sorting of the array. That's all. So to find the norm of the array, to find the variance of the array, and to find the standard deviation of array. All these problems you worked in mathematics. Remember that? Anybody? అయ్యే ఉంటే ఎడదాకా ఎందుకు వస్తాం సార్ అంటారు. How many you remember these words in maths? Sure? Huh? You remember అయితే formulas you know కాబట్టి it's very easy. Otherwise అయితే first you have to search the formula. Huh? Formula you can check in Google, sir, but no problem. But solution don't copy from the Google. Huh? Just identify the formula and use your own only. Well, if you go for copy pasting operation, no use. Hmm? Hmm. Yes, sir. To find the norm of the array, to find the variance of the array, to find the standard deviation of array. Correct. Three questions. And our next topic is functions. JavaScript functions. So functions is a special topic of the JavaScript set. And one more personal suggestion also. Listen functions carefully and concentrationally. Functions not understanding properly, sir. Not followed properly, sir. Coming 5 topics you are affecting. Functions after what we are going to discussing the 5 topics. That 5 topics is impact is available. What is the meaning of impact, sir? Not following those topics. Properly not following. I think just blindly following. So functions not listening or not followed, not practiced properly. First, it is impacted to JavaScript objects topic. Next one, it is impacted to DOM concept, document object model. Compulsory, it is impact is goes DOM concept. Next one is regular expressions, it is impacted. Next one, timer functions, it is impacted. Next one, client-side validations also impact is available. If 5 topics gone, sir, JavaScript. As already arrays before I said that these are the next level topics of the JavaScript. These are main topics for us. So be careful in that this is the foundational. So what is a function, sir? Function is a named block. Function is a named block. Function is a named block. What is meaning of block, sir? Block is nothing but a group of statements. Block is nothing but group of statements. ఇది మళ్ళీ టైప్ చేస్తుంది. So this is the simple meaning of the function, sir. Function is a named block. A block is nothing but a group of statements. Simple meaning. We can say as a definition of the function also. So block not now, sir. In control statements, first time I introduced the block. I hope you remember and I think if block, for block, switch block, and I clearly pronounced also those. So block is nothing but an open curly bracket to closing curly bracket. And inside that, generally we are writing some group of statements. After that, if you set some name or if you assign some name to this block, it is becomes as a function. It is a named block. Block inside, we have some group of statements. And what is the use of this function or what is the use of this block, sir? One main purpose, sir. Functions are used to perform a particular task or operation. Functions are used to perform a particular task or operation. So what is meaning of this, sir? Every function used to achieve some task. Every function is used to perform something in the programming. 100%, sir. Example, we have a lot of predefined functions. Let is functional, prompt is functional, parse integer functional, parse float functional, confirm is also functional. But let function is available. What let is doing, sir? Let. Huh? Displaying message to user. Hey, sir, alert to prompt. Do not remember our dialog boxes. JavaScript pop-up dialogues. మిమ్మల్ని పంపించాలి పాప పైకి. Prompt function available. What prompt is doing, sir? Taking the data from user. But it is correct కదా ఇప్పుడు ఈ sentence. They're performing a particular task. Without performing any task, there is no functions. Every function should do something. Otherwise, sir, why you developed the function? What is the use? But we have predefined functions, sir, already. Why we should develop our own functions, sir? Predefined functions available, sir. Software inside a lot of predefined functions available. But predefined functions fulfilling some requirements only, not all requirements. A developer's all requirement fulfilling by the predefined functions is not possible. So your expectation different to software providing functions are different. They're helping up to certain level only. Okay, above this one, I want to do something, sir. Compulsory, you have to develop your own functions. And how many types of functions available and what are the advantages of these functions, sir? First types, sir. Basically in JavaScript, we have 4 types of functions. 4 types available. Types of functions. So one is named functions. Named functions. Named functions. Named functions. Second one is expressional functions. Third one is arrow functions. Arrow functions. And the fourth one is IIF or IEF. II means immediate execution, immediate invoking. This is immediate invoking. This is immediate execution. F stands for function. F stands for function. Immediate invoking functions, also called as immediate execution functions. So these are the four varieties of functions in JavaScript, sir. Second, third, very crucial. Very, very important. And second, third. It's just types only listed here, names only. And we have to work one by one, one by one. In which language you worked previously functions? Huh? C language. Next maybe Python and I think. And after that, again Oracle. Because Java.NET functions not available. We have only methods only. Some languages have functions available. But in JavaScript variety what's are we have functions, we have methods, both available here. First, we are working with functions, sir. Functions next to topic, again working with the methods. Both same, sir. Yeah, no, both are not same. Lot of people are misunderstanding. Functions and methods both are same. Awareness problem. Functions different, methods different. We have two topics here. Okay, sir. Today I'm stopping session little bit early. Enjoy. We'll continue on Monday. Thank you all.